County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby.
Go cap, see, I'm just right. Last package. Should I dive in? Yeah, I'm gonna dive into this. I ain't gonna do it. Get straight. Yeah, you see what I say? FMF Fatty, the Gold Series. See what I say right there? FMF Fatty. Yeah. Yes, sir, Ski. So you see what's going on, man. It's daytime now. It's once again daytime. So we finna go out here. I gotta wash this bike, y'all. I got to get it ready. You know what I'm saying? The parts done came in. So I got my pressure washer. See what's going on. A little baby electric one. That's all you need right there. Yeah, man. I gotta go ahead and you gotta get this clean. You see what's going on, man. Y'all, you see. Come on. Big dirty. Look at that pipe. He coming off. He's coming out. Look at that. Oh my God, we dirty up in there, y'all. Weird. Yeah, it's all good. New Barings here. You see how dirty it is up there, right? Hard. Full circle. Just pop them off though. You know. So yeah, man, we're gonna go ahead and get them clean. I'm throwing cash up. She picking it up on the floor tonight. I got 'em mad now. I'm riding the beat with the bottles of Sprite. Yes, Sirski. So you see we done came out here and made a mess. I had to get it clean though before I put these parts in there. There's no way in the hell I'm about to go on that dusty, dirty, and put all this brand new material on him. You know what I'm saying? There's no way I'm finna do that. So yeah, we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna come back and nice rinse. Then we're gonna pull them all in the house. Start getting this thing ready. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Kai.
Yeah, so you see we out here, my boy Key don't pull up, my boy don't Nate don't pull up. So yeah, we over here back at it again like little bees, yellow bees. Yeah,
Big Right Production.
you did.
Fucking blown out Baron production, boy. Look at that. Look, he's a needle Baron. Yeah. I got ordered the whole new linkage Barons. No problems, boy. We're gonna be straight.
Yes, sir.
Keep on birthday this weekend, man. He turned 35.
24, man. Hey, I don't normally do nothing for my birthday, but I got too many friends that did not make it to my age, man.
Yeah,
so
well,
I gotta do it for them, bro.
Big
Celebrate my birthday Friday, man.
Fact. We gonna turn up. Hit me up in the 10 minutes and like shit. Durhamtown trip this weekend. I like, but hell yeah.
Friday weekend, so if your mama ain't at the house this Friday or Saturday, don't be mad at me.
Hey, listen.
All-Star weekend, man. We out here.
Man, what? Hey, listen. This our all-star shit. We hitting the track. We hit. You know, this what we do, man. You know, we ain't hooping and balling. We out here on these right here. You did. But yeah, man.
Oh yeah. Yo.
Hey, you street
See what's
riding
going
homies,
on.
man.
Oh yeah.
See what's going on now.
Mm-hmm.
Yo.
It's ordered, on the way, signed, sent, and delivered.
Hey, all the street riders ain't gonna like this one.
Yeah. Brand new ski. Brand new ski.
That shit was good though.
So yeah, keep it dirty so you see all the new parts. When it comes on, it's all gonna be clean.
You
by the
feel?
time I do that.
Look like a Mack truck tire.
God, I love the way this shit smells.
125 RM, right? Y'all see what's going on? We got the trip. We going to Durham for bro birthday. I'ma be at this one. I missed the last one, as I done told y'all 100 times. Yeah, man, I was mad at myself and my car, so it be like that. Yes, Thursday. That shit work. That's all that matters.
Put some gas on the fucking shit after it gets dirt on it. My shit's rusty because I just, that's a PP painted truck.
My shit be the same way. Boy, you see I hit the light when it came out. Oh yeah. It be straight from the factory on him, you know what I'm saying? Boy, I appreciate you, son. You got that did your dizzle. Yeah, man, so we got both sides out. Finally. Look at this shit. Some, get that little rusty dust out of there. Get them back healthy. And now it's easy. You don't do nothing but heat it back up, right? I got my bearings in the freezer. So what that is a hot hub expanded with a cold bearing that's what? Disbanded. Hold on, we done got it out, but hold on, look at this right here. Y'all see that little red drop right there? My boy done goddamn, look at him. Sheesh! Where them knackers went? Oh, I thought it was behind.
I think your boy grabbed him and ran into something else.
My boy done got real blood and sweat and tears in here for the kids, man.
Tears, maybe some beers.
Beers, yeah, but you know the Bud Light. Y'all see the frost on that bearing. Y'all see the frost? I just took him out the freezer. So you see he heating it up. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna drop this in there. It's supposed to be a little easier than just going in there. You know what I'm saying? It's already just room temp and just put the bearings in. So yeah. That's the smallest side. Oh, that's the biggest side, ain't it? Yeah. No matter which way you go, dude. That's awesome. He said if it just fall in, man, I need to goddamn get a whole new hub in there, motherfucker.
Let me poke it.
Yeah, it ain't falling in. Yeah, we gotta get that hammer. Oh yeah, you already know the edit game be on point. I don't be studying none of that no more. So I just walked down there to the mailbox. You know what I'm saying? So perfect timing, you know, it came. And it ain't nothing but the other little spacer. Other little spacer to go on the side, but you know, just perfect timing. But you see, get what I got right there. Sticker! Yes, sir. Sir, I forgot. Y'all see it, man? My stickers done finally came in. You know, I be on them. Stickers! You dig? Yeah, so y'all know, if y'all don't know, but all the songs y'all be hearing in the background and all the beats in the background, that's all my shit. So, you know, I can't get copyright infringement. You know, none of that. I own this shit, you dig? So, Yeah, man, I'm a producer for those who didn't know. So, you know, I got my little patches for the bike. You know, when you ride by me, you see that shit say beat maker. You see a laptop on it, producer grind. You gonna be like, oh shit, oh you make beats? Boom. Networking when I even had to talk. I'm networking while I'm flying by on the 12 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Get at me though. Shout out beats. Yeah, let's see what's going on. We about to cut this mother. And we didn't find out, man, this pro circuit setup, well, at least this, cause I purchased the silencer, but this came on the bike. This motherfucker
Silencer don't mean shit, man. Look at the boat.
You feel me?
That shit, bread tied to there. It should be right there. This shit, bread tied to there. Should just run right there. Look, you see how far this shit stick out? This shit stick out, goddamn. What?
You feel me?
Hell no, boy.
So I had the wrong pipe, but it came with the bike, you know, so I cranked up and been riding. But I brought the pro circuit silencer because I'm like, okay, I matched what was already on my shit and just find out it was wrong. So you see that bracket?
You're cutting that shit.
See that bracket right there? Boom, you come look on this pipe. I got the bracket right there. You did. See? So yeah, that shit is definitely not the one. But it's all good because we just effed them out.
Y'all see that hug out there? That's covered in paper, right? That's not paper. They're washing that.
Yeah, they washing it.
And inside was paper. It was soap. Right, Daddy?
Yeah, that's a real airplane.
Oh, I never seen one in my whole life.
As you can see, bad news, man. The pipe didn't fit, y'all. Damn pipe didn't fit, man. He's sending that shit back to eBay today. Amazon Prime, whatever. Sending the wrong damn box. I mean the wrong damn. Mad as hell, man. Had to send the shit back. Now I gotta wait. Come on, dude. That's it. But yeah, man. Now I'm driving that motherfucker. Go ahead and hit my shoot. Go ahead and hit my shoot, you now I'm driving that. But yeah, man, I had to damn send it back so they didn't delay my FMF goddamn situation. So yeah, man. Today, you can see it in my hair, my face. Pissed off, man. So after me and Nate, we got the Barings in the wheel. Tired as hell, up all night. Got the Barings in the wheel. Didn't realize got the wrong pipe. So we set the pipe back, you know what I'm saying? No folks, all right, I gotta wait for it to get there. Wait for it to goddamn ship. So now, you know, we going dorm time. So now I gotta go buy a whole nother $230 to $60 pipe. I mean, they gonna refund me, but you know what I'm saying? Oh man, I'm blowed. But anyway, finna take it back to the house, man. I had to bring my girl to the beauty supply store. You know what I'm saying? So shit, after we do that, I'm gonna get back. I done woke up. You see the sun is setting. I done woke up. Sun setting, I done woke up. So yeah, man, I'm about to get back to it. I'm gonna put these handlebars on. I'm gonna throw these stickers on, this pro taper clutch on, you know.
Hello, guys.
And we're gonna keep it going.
Yeah, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17, got my first stick.